Okay, so today I thought I would test out the Bissell Steam Shot. I saw this on another YouTuber. I saw her cleaning with it, and I'm all about green cleaning, and so and not using chemicals. I mean, who isn't? I thought if this gets the job done with steam, why not? So I thought I would test out my kitchen today, a few areas, and bring you along to show you just how good or bad of a job it does on various surfaces and areas in the kitchen. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, here's a close look at the one I got. It is on Amazon, $39.99. There's also a $29.99 one. I bought this one because it comes with a bunch of different attachments, big long hose, and I think it just had more than the other ones. So I'm going to try this on different surfaces and take you along to see just how well it cleans. Let's go. Okay, area number one I'm going to test out today is countertops, busy area, food prep area, and this one I had to turn off the lights so you can see. Look at all the water stains, just greasy hands, I don't know what. And I also have a microfiber cloth that I'm just gonna wipe it down with, and we're gonna see what it looks like. So let's clean. Is steam could seriously burn you, so you have to be super careful. There's a longer extension which I might use on other jobs, but just common sense, steam will burn you, so be careful. I have to say, very nice. I'm pretty impressed. It took off pretty much everything. I had to scrub a little bit for some stickier spots, but you'd have to do that with chemicals too. So I would say countertops, yes, thumbs up. Okay, the next surface I am going to tackle is this stovetop. Don't judge, people. I cook 6 times a week, so constantly wiping this down using Windex or Zep, which is a degreaser, all chemicals, which is terrible. So let's see if we can get all this splatter up. Here is the after of cleaning the stovetop, and as you can see, it is so sparkly and shiny. I don't think it's been this clean since we moved in and built this house, and it's so clean. In fact, I see multiple scratches that I never really noticed before, but I would definitely give it a thumbs up for stovetop cleaning. Forget about these guys. Don't neglect these guys. These are the covers that go on the tops of your stovetop. I'm gonna just brush them. Put them next to this one was steam cleaned, this one was not. This is a pretty darn good job. I am very, very happy with this purchase so far. Next up, I'm gonna try these stove grates. They have caked on, you know, oil and food from many uses, but I'm going to try to use one of the attachments, and I'm going to try to use a little scrubber brush and see if we can scrub some of that off. So let's do it. Y'all see this like grease coming up? That's all grease. I am 1000% super impressed with the job it did on the grates. Holy cow, there was like grease coming off of it from years and years of use. I used to clean these in ammonia. I did the trick where you put them in a Ziploc with ammonia. Total chemicals, total stinky, terrible. It worked, but this is way better. So here is a side by side. This one is cleaned with the steam. This one is not. I wish y'all could be here in person, but it is so much better. Okay, I'm cleaning them all. Okay, one thing I want to mention is you're going to want microfiber cloths, and you're going to want more than one, because in cleaning behind my stove one is getting pretty filthy, so I just bought a 4-pack, and I think I got these at Dollar Tree. So any microfiber washcloths that you can rewash will do. Moving on. I have a tiled backsplash behind my stove that gets probably pretty filthy. Yeah, it looks like there's some splatter. So let's see how well the steam cleaner does on backsplashes. We are moving on, and I am going to moving on to cabinets. I'm gonna try to find the most disgusting one. It has to be the garbage. Yeah, this one is the most used drawer in the house. It houses our garbage and recycling, which is really cool, but it gets disgusting. Things drip on it all the time. I have teens, one's a boy, just doesn't really pay attention, tosses things in there, things drip. So let's steam clean this. I'm not going to use anything but the steam and the microfiber first to see if that is enough to get this shining. Wow. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. This is cleared. These were cleaned. And then see, I just want to pay attention. This is just wood that has been scratched by many uses of opening and closing. Busy one. This one is not. I haven't cleaned this one yet. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. This one is much cleaner. Let me turn the camera side by side. I noticed a difference. I would say amazing job on cabinets for sure. So the last surface I want to try it on is stainless steel. My dishwasher is actually running. Let's change that so we know. Okay, so it's actually running right now, but you could see there's water stains and everything from just, putting rinsed dishes into the dishwasher. So, okay, so let's clean it and see. It does a great job on stainless steel. There are a few water stains. I don't know if you could see this. The steam, maybe if I add a lot of steam to it, it will get it out, but that was the only thing. Let's see. Still there, but it still does a pretty amazing job for not using any chemicals. Okay, so my final thoughts on this Bissell steam mop. 5 out of 5 stars. Would definitely recommend. So far, I am super impressed with the job it's done on my granite countertops. My stovetop is shining like it hasn't since we built this house. The granite just feels really nice, and the best thing is you're cleaning with steam. You're not using any chemicals. So once you buy this, that's it. You don't have anything else you need to buy. You don't have to buy refills of chemicals. go to the Dollar Tree, get yourself a 4-pack of microfiber cloths that you can rewash and reuse, and buy one of these. They have different iterations of it. I think the cheapest one is $29.99, and then it goes up from there. They sell at Amazon, Target. This video is not sponsored. I just wanted to share my experience using it, and I am super impressed so far. I'm going to be using it in other rooms. I'm going to try it in my bathroom. I'm going to try it in my craft room in the office, and I will bring you along and share all the different surfaces in there, and you can then decide if it's something you might want to buy. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Take care, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye. If you love saving money just like me, you will love my printable website, Print-A-Party.com with the dashes. These videos are always sponsored by my company, where you can get printables for all sorts of occasions: birthdays, weddings, wine, gift decor, planning, organization, teacher, and much more. Check it out, Print-A-Party.com with the dashes. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.